What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on our 2017 Nissan GTR. We finally got our Cobb access port in the mail, so today we'll try to install it in the car and flash the ECU back to stock. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's doing something. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but we got some lights blinking. Okay, so installed. So in off position for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. All right. So I guess we got the original tune back in. Well, at least I think that was the original tune that I pressed. Let's try starting it. All right, let's see what happens. You gotta be kidding me, why? All right guys, at first it was kind of starting, dying, but now, check this out. Oh yeah. She runs. Check that out. Man, I'm super excited. All right guys, I'm super happy and excited that it actually runs. I was kind of bummed out. I wasn't sure if the engine was good or not, and I wasn't sure if I should keep on moving forward with rebuilding it, but now since it runs, we can get all of our parts ordered, go do the frame, and put it back on the road. As of now, I want to get the oil replaced. I'm not sure when the previous owner replaced the oil. It's actually pretty dark. So we got some fresh oil and filter. Let's get it changed. Alright guys, next day here we did replace our oil. That went well. Today I want to take out the seat belts because they did deploy during the accident, so we have to take those out and take them to a shop to get them repaired. So by the time we're finished with the car, those can be ready to go. But before we do that, we need to take out the car and give it a good wash. Didn't get a chance to wash it yet because we didn't have our injectors in, so I didn't want any water going in the engine. But for now, let's take it outside and give it a wash.
Yeah.
right, now that it's nice and clean, let's put it back in the garage and take off the seatbelts. Man, it looks so good, all washed and clean. Now we need to go inside and figure out how to take out these seatbelts. Here's the seatbelt, and you can see it's deployed. What we'll have to do is take out these panels, both of these, possibly even the seat, I'm not sure, and unscrew the seatbelt. And do the same on that side, take them out and get them to a shop to get repaired. Alright guys, we got both seatbelts out. That was surprisingly very easy. All you got to do is take out the bottom portion of the seat, pull this plastic out, and the seatbelt just unbolts. One bolt down there and one here. Very simple. Both of them did deploy, so what happens during the accident, they both get stuck in the position that they are in. I guess it has something in here that blows and basically it won't go back, so they're kind of just stuck right now. We'll take these to the shop and they can get these repaired pretty easily, and then we'll throw them back on. Alright guys, that'll be a wrap for today's video. Now we can get to ordering all the parts that we need. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we'll get all of our parts in. We'll take it to the frame machine and get all the parts aligned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.